friends, this is a new video of App Inventor. This time I'll show you how to remember actions of the user in a tool or in a app. I've done this little app. It has a checkbox, a button, data picker, spinner, and a slider, which will save the actions. It will save the checkbox, the button, like the color or something. The data picker, we could change the date. The spinner, the color or something. The slider, we put it in other position in exit. And to be sure that the app is not running, we go to app manager. And like you see, it isn't running. Okay, I run it again. And like you see, it saved all that I do. Remember that also you could download all the project in the official page. Okay, I already have the design of the app. You need a tiny TV. In the case that you put a data picker, we put a clock. Okay, in blocks part, first we put the part of the checkbox. So when the screen initialize, needs to start all the actions that are saved on the tiny TV. So first we put screen initialize. Now first the checkbox. It needs to be saved if it is true or false. So in TinyDB we put get value. In the tag is like checkbox. I don't know. Checkbox. And the value as default, it will be false. Okay. Now when you click on the check, it needs to change, but we need to save the action if you click the check. So we put a store value. The tag is the same checkbox, and the value will save if it is true or false. And all the other tools will be like that. Okay, now the button, it only changed the background color. So in button and background color, we duplicate this block, another tag, it calls button, and as default the color is going to be 0. 0 is the default color. So when button click, we need an if. We need an if to change the color. If it click, will change the color, and vice versa. So we put an equals logic, the button, the background color is like this color, The background color is colors. We put this color. It will be the default color. 0 will be by default. But also we need to save this on to the into the tiny DB. Store value. The tag is button, and the value as default is gonna be 0. And if it isn't this case, we change the options. And the save store value, instead the 0, we put the color. Okay. Now the data picker, this I will leave it for another moment. Okay, so now we'll do the slider. Okay. We put this thumb position. In this case, the tag will be slider, like the tool, and as default, it will be in the middle. So for this, we put a mat. And up here we put the same thumb position, and we divide it into to half, two, because it's the half. In this case of the slider, we only need to save it on the database. And the tag is the slider. The value store is the thumb position. Is the value of the thumb position. Okay. Now the spinner. And with this we could select from a list. So in the spinner we put this selection here, this selection. But first the selection will be equals to previously graded data. So we put this local variable spinner, and we will save the value. The tag is spinner, and in case that that in the database does not exist any data, it will say null. Null. Okay, now an if it is different of this, it means that it doesn't it does exist one data or any data. So we could add the data to the selection. So here we put this variable, Now, now when it do a selection, when you do a selection, okay, we put this, we duplicate this store value, and the tag is spinner, and the value is the selection. Get selection. Okay. 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 In the case of the data picker, we need to send the day, month, and year. We're going to send in form of list. Okay. So first we create a local variable. It will call date. It will has the get value. The tag it's gonna be date picker, and the value is like the format of the date. And if it hasn't any saved data as default, it will say this date for example this, or we could put a clock. But I recommend you to do the same with the spinner because it's more easy. So we get this. We copy the if. Okay, here we need to send separated, but in this case we will send it in a list. So this is date to display. Okay, to separate in list, we put this. This is we put this list from CSV raw text. It will be the same variable of date. Okay, now we could select by positions. So we use select list item. The list is the date and the index of the year is the position. That is 3. The month is 2 and the day is 1. Here is 1. Okay. Okay, so when you change the date, we will save it on the database. So we duplicate this. Okay, now we put here the tag. This is the data picker. Okay. Okay, now we put a join in which we're going to separate with commas. Join with 5 strings. In data picker we put one it calls day here, day. Now a comma, month, comma, and year. This is month and year. Okay, this is all the app. Let's compile it. Um, oh, sorry. Before the compilation, we need to put the button clear that it restart all the options onto the file. So in TinyDB we put this clear all, and also we close the app. In control put this close application. Okay, this is all. Now build the app. Okay, this is the app, the checkbox, the button, the data picker from May 2014, the slider. Okay, next it. Okay, we open again, and it's the same configuration. Okay, this is all for the video. Don't forget to share the video, and also don't forget to help us with your click on the ads, and also remember to watch the other courses. Remember that you could download the projects. Okay, bye.